Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to start a hair business in 2026 with $0 in out of pocket. Hi friend, I'm Terry. I help women start hair businesses and I also sell pre-built dropshipping hair stores. And if you want to skip all the tech stress, grab one of my pre-built Shopify dropshipping hair stores so you can literally launch today. They will come synced already with the vendor. We can even include a free sample. So link in the description for more information. All right, so step one will be to pick your hair niche. So we're jumping right into the main things you should know. You can do headband wigs, glueless wigs, V-part, U-part bundles. This is just pretty much popular niches for 2026. Of course, you can sell every kind of hair you want, but the more you niche down, the easier it is to create content to attract your audience. Step two will be to set up your Shopify store. So pretty much with Shopify, you can set up a free plan. They do have free themes. Be sure to add your brand name and colors. Always start with a Shopify free trial. You don't really need inventory. You don't need money. Like I said, we are drop shipping. All right, so step three is your bread and butter. You want to connect DSER for hair drop shipping. Pretty much it's an app. You want to search DSERS in Shopify App Store, install, and connect. So pretty much with this app, you pretty much import hair products directly to your store. You'll then want to choose a vendor. You can even set your own prices. So pretty much it's like an automatic fulfillment. Step four is to build your product pages and your branding. So pretty much you want to import product photos, write simple, clean descriptions. You want to add like maybe some before and after lifestyle photos. Maybe it just depends on how you want to brand. You always want to stick to 2 to 3 colors, simple fonts. Don't be having like a whole different color. You only need like 1 or 2 colors, like 2 max, friend. Don't be having all these products and vendors. Try to stick to vendors that look really cohesive and they look similar. Like I said, if you need help, contact me, link in the description. Now, the last step is step 5, which will be to obviously market. You don't need to pay for ads or hire any influencer. Try to, market yourself. Maybe you don't want to show your face. Do faceless like in the pictures, the videos above. Maybe you can put the wig on yourself if you don't want to do faceless, but it's definitely options. I would definitely try to do content yourself. Order a sample and create that content. How else will you make the sales, friend? You gotta order the samples to create that content. Free marketing is your best friend when you're starting with $0. And we don't need a long YouTube video. I'm just giving you guys the basic steps. I have a more longer tutorial as far as like using DSER as your vendor. Click the link in the description. I'm going to try to leave it link down below. But if all this feels overwhelming or you want to launch instantly, you can grab one of my pre-built Shopify dropshipping hair stores in the description. Like I said, they come done for you. The products will be sync, vendors, branding, pages, all that. So no inventory, no shipping, no supplier stress because I handle all of that on the back end for you. So the link is down below if you want to start today. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.